Common Core State Standards, Math, 7th grade, Expressions and Equations, 1 and 2, Numbers and Quantities, 1A, 1B, Algebraic Expressions, and this is the vocabulary. So we are on another standard, and so we're under Expressions and Equations. So you need to go into a new tab. You also need to look in your grade book. It's in a new tab. So this is a whole new ball game. So we're going to be talking about algebraic expressions. And we've talked about these already. Algebra is, solving with a variable. And so we could have like x plus 2. All right, so algebraic expressions have a variable. And they have to have at least one operation. So at least one operation. And the operations are add, subtract, multiply, and divide, because that's all we can do in math. And so the operation in this one here would be add. So we also need to know that in algebra, sometimes being multiplied is kind of implied. So like if we have something like 6x, that means 6 times x. So 6 times x. If we have something like 9st, that means 9 times s times t. And if we have mn, that certainly means m times n. And a squared is a times a. And that is how that works. So know that there's a lot of simple, just shortcuts maybe, in algebra that you really need to know. The other word you need to know besides variable is a symbol that stands for a number. So it's a symbol that stands for a number, but we need to know what a coefficient is too. Okay, and this is a number, and it's a number only. So a number that is attached to a variable. So like this, 6x, it is the number 6 only. It is not 6x because that is an expression. So 6. And a constant is another number in algebra, but it stands alone. So like if I say something like 6x plus 3, 3 is the constant, 6 is the coefficient, and x is the variable. The operation is addition. So you need to be able to look at all of those. So let's go through it again. So if I say 7b minus 8, 7 is the coefficient, it is 7 alone. 7b is the term, b is the variable, subtraction is the operation, and 8 is the constant. I do expect you to know that, so put some time into this. Thank you.